So did I become a YouTube millionaire in 2021? Let's find out. Hey, my name is JB Glossinger, and I'm glad you're here. This is more of a community than a channel. And every once in a while, I let you in the back end of my YouTube to kind of see what it's like as a small creator and what they generate in revenue. And I'm excited to tell you that we learned a lot of really cool things in 2021. And I'm excited. Well, I don't know if I'm that excited. I'm not excited to tell you that I did not become a YouTube millionaire, not even close. But I'm having fun, and I'm glad you're a part of this community, more importantly. And I'm glad to meet so many new people because even though I didn't become a YouTube millionaire, it's been really valuable in my life this year and has really brought me so much joy because of you and the things you're doing. And I always say, we have the best subscribers in the world, and I'm going to prove it to you right now with some of these analytics. So let's jump in the computer. So as I go in the computer here, you can see that this is my dashboard. If you've never seen a dashboard in the back of YouTube, typically tells you how many subscribers you've got and some basic information on your views and your estimated revenue. As you can see, mine is 1,427 here. Some things that are going on. But where I really want to take you today is into the analytics tab. And as you can see, the last month has been going pretty good. We're up to 1,500 in revenue, basically. And I think that's pretty cool because of, and as I said, why do we have the best subscribers in YouTube? Because of this RPM. That RPM is what I get paid per 1,000 views on my channel. And you can see that's pretty healthy. In fact, advertisers are paying $35.45 to view my videos. And what's crazy is if you look at this, there were actually days where it was $20. So at that day, people were paying, let's go into RPM, like $40, $50 just to advertise on my channel. So that just has to tell you that the subscribers are amazing. Again, the revenue is up for the last 28 days, and that's part of the reason is because that's up. Because if you look at the annual numbers, and we look at 2020, my annual RPM is typically $8.90. And you can see the annual revenue then was about $10,500, which is great. I'm happy with that. If we look at 2020, let's go ahead and look at 2020. 2020 was 6,400 when we started this, really going after it back in May. RPM was lower. So RPM continues to go up. The audience continues to get better. So that means you guys are doing a great job. And again, as we go into the last couple months, you can see that RPM's going up and things are really looking good. And again, if we go to 2022, if we look at the revenue, you can see it start coming up a little bit. Now, I was pretty lazy here in the middle of the year, so I didn't do much, and it affected the revenue. If you can see by the monthly revenue kind of numbers here, you're going to see that down here on the left side, December was $46, and then we had $985, $865, $1,000, $757, $874, $852, $660, and this is where I went home and I kind of just took a break, $628, $563, and now we're growing again. Pretty exciting to see this uptick here. I'd like to really see a hockey stick and go viral, but at least we're getting some movement here. If we look at the videos that are doing well, obviously the Remarkable 2, if you're here for me, you know that typically my reasons to buy videos do really well, and you can see the view accounts are really, really high and the impressions, and people are tending to enjoy those videos. This year, I'm going to change the content up a little bit, and we're going to try to work a little bit harder to make the channel a little bit more accessible to more people. And I'm seeing that starting to happen within the audience, which is great. If we come down here to the bottom, you're going to see that our audience now is 81% male and 18% female, where it used to be 90% male, 10% female. That means we're reaching kind of a new audience. Also, you can see our demographics really between 25 and 54 are our main demographics. So we got a good group of people here that are really watching the channel. What does bother me, though, is that 90% of the video that people are watching, 90% are not subscribed. So that means a lot of people aren't hitting that subscribe bell and not subscribing to the show, which means they don't see future videos, which makes it kind of tough. And the subscribers who are here, only 8.4% have turned on all notifications, and 8.4 have subscribed to turn on all notifications, and then enabled YouTube notifications 4.0. Those are kind of low numbers. And I get it. There's a reason for that because we've got a lot of shoppers coming, and I really want to change that to where we're now looking at more of a channel that's more about things that we're doing. So what are we doing with that? Well, if we go to our content, you can see that the last couple of days I've done some shorts. These are 60-second or less videos that YouTube's putting up for us to kind of get exposed to new audiences, kind of what's going on Instagram and TikTok. Mine aren't dancey or anything, mostly Neo and some fun stuff, but they're getting some views, 736, 716. I just put this one up 23 today. So you can see we're starting to get some views. I'm also starting to really change some things up. And one of the things that's cool is my planner system is really rocking with 2,000 views. And what's cool about that, I'll bring in my email supplier, is that we're up 10% on emails, which is fantastic. 4,321 emails have come in, and that planner is really growing. So there are some benefits of doing YouTube just besides the revenue point. Also, affiliate commissions are coming up a little bit. It's nice to see that we're at about $175 to $200 a month in affiliate commissions. That's pretty cool too. That's extra revenue that comes in from growing a YouTube channel. But again, as you can kind of see, we're trending in the right direction when we look at the analytics. Views are coming up. We're starting to get there, but there's a lot of work that needs to be done, and that work needs to be done by me. I have really been a little bit lazy with this channel. It's just been a hobby for me. I haven't treated it like a business. But this year I invested in some new Sony cameras. I did get a drone and some new things. And what I've been known as is kind of a single shooter, like this video. I'm just letting the camera go back to the computer, come back to the camera without a lot of editing. That, for one thing, makes it easy for me, but it's not a lot of fanfare with it. And specifically when you're just doing tablet reviews, it works. We can make it happen. But I'm ready to expand this channel into more entertainment. I see more people like myself at 52 years of age watching YouTube, not only to get information, but also for entertainment. And I want to really start moving my channel that direction and really providing that entertainment and that energy that so many people like, not only about e-ink, but in other areas of life. And we're going to do that this year with some editing. And my game plan then is to Monday be doing my coaching and my coach cast and stuff that I've done for years. And Tuesday through Friday, really becoming a full-time YouTuber, shooting videos for a couple hours and then editing for 4, 5, 6 hours. Typically, what I do is I shoot a video like this one. It takes me 10, 20 minutes, and then I'll edit it in 10, 20 minutes. And within an hour, I'm done. Now, there's a lot of benefits to that, but to really get to the level that I want to get to here with YouTube, we've got to start putting a lot of content out and really start rocking it. And that's what I'm going to do this year. So am I a YouTube millionaire? No, not even close, but that's okay. I'm having fun. Will I one day be? I don't know. We'll see. We'll keep putting the energy out there. And if you like this stuff, hit a thumbs up. It really does help me. And of course, that subscribe and alert bell can make a big difference in small YouTubers like mine's life, because you start watching the videos, and that's really what it's about. And I really want to create community here, because that's what really separates me from just being a how-to channel or review channel. It's really about the community that we've established, and would love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you really ever seen this, kind of behind the scenes stuff? And, what do you think about it? Pretty cool, but what do you think, right? So let me know in the comments below. And as always, hey, let's get out there and have a great year. It's a new year, 2021 we're putting to bed, and it's time for a great new year start. And I'm sending you some great energy to get off to that great new year, okay? If you're watching this after the new year, I hope you started off great. All right, listen. Thank you so much for being a part of this community. It truly is. If you hit that subscribe and really become an integral part, I would love to have you be a part of that. And we'll keep rocking and rolling with some awesome videos. So I see you in the next video. Go have a fantastic day. Thanks for being a part of this. Have a great new year.